Hi you guys, today we're going to be making chicken remix. So yesterday I fried some chicken breast. We're going to dice it up. I got some tortillas, low calorie. Romaine lettuce, Caesar dressing, aged Parmesan. That's all you need. You're going to cut your chicken breasts up into bite-sized pieces. Just like this. Then, once you cut it up, you're going to shred up your romaine lettuce to about like this. You're going to mix it in a bowl. You're going to get your chicken, your lettuce, your cheese, and your Caesar dressing. Once you mix it up, I put mine on a paper plate because I don't want to wash no dishes today. It's going to look like this. You're going to put it on your, hold on, where am I? You're going to put it on your plate, and it's going to look like this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.